Okay, so I got these two at coolhandcutlery.com, this at an unmarked site, these four at roadsideimports.com. First one is a Charade Extreme Survival, spring assisted. Second is a Colt Tailwind Firefighter. This is also spring assisted, and these are discontinued now. This one is a Jaguar, not sure if it's a Jaguar knockoff or, I don't know, the blade tang isn't stamped, so I'm just going to call it, I don't know, just a butterfly knife. This one is a, BladePlay.com calls it the Juggernaut, RoadsideImports.com calls it LCC something, I don't know, but it's a hidden release or secret release or something like that, meaning you can open it normal way with the thumb stud, or you can press the secret release in the handle. This one is a OTF, commonly called a Lightning. It says right there, if you can see it. It's an OTF. These two are regular 9-inch stilettos. Alright, that's it.